Let's see now, except for Sarah Blin. Who remembers word for word what the title of Sarah Blin's speech was? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we know the answer. Nobody. Right. The title of Sarah Blin's speech was How Small Actions Can Inspire Big Changes. Okay, can somebody tell me word for word what it was? See, you still can't. It's not you. It's the title. Okay, I'll give you a gift. How small actions inspire big changes. How many words? Let's not count. I can't count beyond 5. How about you make the title Small Actions Inspire Big Changes? Who can repeat that? Anybody? Put your mic on. Come on, put your mic on. Put your mic on. The timer's running. Put your
Small
mic
action inspire big something.
on. Senior moments. Small actions.
Small actions inspire big changes.
There you go. And the best way to deliver that would have been small actions can inspire big changes. There you go. A little drama goes a long way. Because I loved your beginning. It was about real versus right. Of course, I can't remember all the words because I can't count beyond 5. How about if you started by just saying real versus right? Would you want people to remember you as someone who's real or someone who's right? So you got their emotions right away. You actually lead them into your speech. In the court, it's called leading your honor. Yes. And again, I have congratulated Abhijit that he has dumped all the number 11s and Sarah Blin inherited it. Sarah Blin, his frown transferred to you between your eyebrows. Please pass it on to somebody else. Next time I see you, I don't want to see that number 11. We have a running joke for visitors. It's called the number 11 look. And then I was saying, talk to me, talk to me. You were talking to everyone except me because you forgot to look at that little pinhole called camera. Moving forward, you were very clear and strong. But my question is, that famous but, we have 6 basic emotions. Happy, sad, angry, surprised, disgusted. How many emotions of the 6 did we hear from Sarah Blin? Abhijit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? Put your mic on. Abhijit.
Few emotions.
Okay, there you go. So Abhijit said it all. And make sure that your emotions and your tone match your words. I got very shocked when you said unmotivated and then you smiled. Oh my gosh, I thought it was my senior moments. Your content was excellent. However, this evaluation doesn't allow me to talk about that. And next time, instead of closing, I hope you will like the speech. You will say, which part of my speech did you like best? Good, now do it. Go back and say, small actions inspire big changes. Back to you, Toastmaster. And that's my ending. Back to you, Toastmaster. Good job, Sarah Blin. Go for it.
Vivian, one of the best evaluation by far I have attended so far. With so much start to end, I am your great fan. This was amazing. Thank you for that.